Divorce doesn't have to be a nightmare. With Divorce661.com, the process is surprisingly straightforward and stress-free. Discover how we transform a daunting task into a manageable journey, ensuring peace of mind every step of the way. Filing the initial divorce paperwork is the first step. At Divorce661.com, we ensure every form is accurately completed and electronically filed, eliminating errors and delays. Let us handle the complexities for you. Serving divorce documents can be tricky, but not with us. We professionally manage this step, ensuring proper service without unnecessary stress. Trust Divorce661.com to make this process seamless. Financial disclosures are crucial. Both spouses must disclose assets, debts, and income. Divorce661.com provides simplified guidance, ensuring everything is properly documented, making this step smooth and hassle-free. Drafting a settlement agreement involves agreeing on key terms like property division and child custody. We tailor professional agreements to your unique needs, ensuring clarity and fairness. Submitting the judgment package finalizes the divorce. Divorce661.com ensures all forms are correctly completed and included, avoiding rejections and ensuring a smooth conclusion to your divorce journey. Our flat fee service means no hidden costs, just transparent pricing. Enjoy 100% remote service, e-filing, and electronic signatures, saving time and avoiding paperwork hassles. With our expertise in California divorce law, you're in safe hands. Choosing Divorce661.com means choosing peace of mind. Contact us today for a free consultation and start your stress-free journey. Visit Divorce661.com to see how easy divorce can be. Let us handle everything so you can focus on moving forward.